is winning the way to happiness. The way to happiness is unplugged coding game designed by us. We are the multi-class of Rocca Santa Maria, a little school in a small village in the mountains in Abruzzo. How to play? You must print this chessboard. Emojis represent your emotions: happy, sad, angry, worried, calm, surprised. To play, you have to move a piece we call Amy into the chessboard. We designed it from atom, air, ants, and feet. And in the chessboard can move forward, turn right, or turn left. Attention, Annie can't go back. This is a bus. You can place Annie on it. Now print a cutout with path card for the basic level, first and second class. You've got 6 cards. Now print a card your end and position on it. Start. Then print and cut the cards. Choose one. Follow the instruction and have fun! Other possibilities. You can make chessboard on the floor with adhesive tape. Draw some emojis and bushes and insert them in the chessboard. Now you can invent and write all paths you want. Have fun again!